Quantum University is proud to present the newest addition to our suite of education tools, Smart Tab Education. Quantum University has partnered with one of the leaders in technology, Lenovo, to bring to you best-in-class experience for your education needs. The exquisitely designed Lenovo YOGA Smart Tab is assembled from iron gray aluminum for durability and allows for comfortable use over the short and long haul. Whether you're laying down, sitting, reclining, or standing, the signature multi-mode design comes with a built-in kickstand that lets you tilt, stand, hold, or hang your tablet. The Smart Tab also reduces the harmful blue light that causes eye strain, creating a safer learning environment. With the Smart Tab, you will experience crisp and vibrant visuals from any angle and enjoy the sweeping cinematic soundscapes from the dual JBL Hi-Fi speakers boosted with a smart power amplifier. Last but not least, your tablet also doubles as a screen-enabled smart home hub with Google Assistant's ambient mode. 360-degree far-field voice recognition will pick up your voice from across the room. Your new pre-loaded Smart Tab will allow you to access your course documents and videos offline, enabling you to be mobile and self-paced. You can also choose to connect to Wi-Fi to browse the Quantum University website and complete your exams online. The Quantum University curriculum was created with enhanced student learning as a key focus, resulting in an efficient layout for completing your program at your own pace. Your Smart Tab is yours to keep for personal or professional use even after you graduate. Speak with an admission advisor at 877-888-8970 and find out how you can become part of the Quantum University family.